So this model is Ray 403. This is an affordable model that has an LCD display panel. The size of the panel is 3.5 inches, and that converts to a native resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels. I have to say that it's way more many pixels than the other 480p models have. Its light source is an LED lamp, and the total brightness of the model is 120 ANSI lumens. On top of that, the Wi-Fi version of this projector has the YouTube function built in. The lens quality is quite good. This model has a multi-layer coated lens for blur-free and distortion-free images. So this is the Ray 403, a tiny LCD projector. Look at the size, just barely larger than my hand. It has a simple body design. The top has nothing, no buttons on top of it. It's available in two colors. One is black, the other one is white. This unit is white. The front has a lens, and you can turn it to adjust the focus, like this. There's also one IR receiver at the front and one at the back, so you can control it effortlessly from either side. On the side you have all the ports. There's two USBs, one HDMI input, auxiliary in for audio, and audio-video input. Then on all of the sides at the bottom you have these cool looking indented stripe patterns. I think it's pretty neat. And on the back you will also find this slider. This is a plus-minus 15 degree, so in total 30 degree optical keystone adjustment. It's the lens shift. So as you can see, this is a Wi-Fi version. That means that you can do Wi-Fi screen mirror. This one right here is for iPhones, and that is for Android devices. Okay, and now let's check the built-in YouTube app. And it looks like this. I'm already connected to my Wi-Fi, and let's try to play a video. Yeah, the video is on, but our Wi-Fi is a little bit slow in the office. So let's head back to the launcher, and now I'll go back into my USB and navigate to a video. Okay, it can open photo files, music files, movie files, and PDFs, ebook.
Saints Row gives you the ultimate freedom to express yourself in the weird Wild West. You've never seen anything like this before, so buckle up.
Out here, it's every boss for himself. We're going to give you the lay of the land, how to craft your perfect boss. Your fleet of sweet rides, your weapons, your crew, even the Saints HQ. It's time to build your criminal empire in style.
People come to Santa Luisa from all over because it's a place that bleeds attitude. Here, you do you.
Arrive in style with vehicle customization. With over 80 rides to collect, you'll have plenty of time to kill it in the garage.
Go deep under the hood, customizing all your rides. Load up on exotic parts and pieces, modify that body, change paint, add grime, make that engine brown.